So welcome to another exciting video. So today I will talk about how to fix Windows 10 activation error. So without further delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is click on date and time and go to right click on the date and time, and you will have to go to adjust date and time. And once you're at the adjust, make sure your set time zone automatically is on. If it's off, it's not going to work. So if it's off, just turn it on and then close the window and go to your window and type here network troubleshooter. And once you write network troubleshooter, you will see something like find and fix network problem, and open the control panel. And once in this page, hit next. And this way is detecting the problems of troubleshoot my connection to the internet. Select that, and it will automatically select the issues with the internet. So in my side, I don't have any issues with the internet. That's why it's showing me troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. You can try exploring other option that might be helpful. So it automatically tells you don't have any problems with the internet. So if you still have the problem, look into a different way to restore your internet connection. Make sure everything is working, and this is the way you can fix the problem with the internet. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up and see you in the next video.